Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into why the Swell Stainless Steel Salad Bowl Kit 64 ounces in Wild Cherry is the best salad kit bowl you can get your hands on. If you've ever struggled with prepping your salads in a way that keeps ingredients crisp, dressings separate, and everything neatly organized, your solution has arrived. Swell, already known for its high-performance hydration gear, has brought their signature elegance and function into the world of meal prep with this all-in-one salad bowl kit. Let's unbox it. Inside, you will find a 64 ounces stainless steel salad bowl, and it's not just any bowl. This is made from high-quality 18/8 food-grade stainless steel, which means it's durable, rust-resistant, and safe for your meals. It's paired with a removable tray for organization, and an adorable 2 ounces mini canister designed specifically for dressings or toppings. The canister also comes with a silicone lid to ensure your sauces stay right where they belong, no mess, no spills. The leak-proof lid is a game-changer. Whether you're commuting to work, heading to a picnic, or just want to toss your salad around without worrying about the contents leaking into your bag, this lid has you covered. Everything fits securely together in a sleek, compact design. Meal prep, it's made easier than ever. Just pack your greens into the main bowl, pop your proteins, nuts, or croutons into the removable tray, and store your dressing in the mini canister. When you're ready to eat, everything is right there, organized, fresh, and mess-free. And yes, this bowl kit is dishwasher safe. You can toss it on the top rack and move on with your day. It's also fridge and freezer friendly, so you can prep ahead of time and enjoy your salads just how you like them, fresh and cold. Let's talk style. The wild cherry color is bold, modern, and adds that little extra pop to your lunch routine. But this isn't just about looks. This product supports sustainability too. Every Swell product helps reduce reliance on single-use plastics, and this bowl is built to last, meaning it's as eco-friendly as it is convenient. For those wondering about safety, Swell has you covered again. The salad bowl, tray, and canister are BPA and BPS free, ensuring every meal you enjoy is safe from harmful chemicals. And it meets California's Prop 65 regulations, so it clears some of the highest safety standards in the country. So who's this for? If you're a busy professional, a health-conscious foodie, or just someone who enjoys a beautifully organized salad, this kit is built for you. It's equally at home on your desk, in your gym bag, or at a picnic table. And honestly, it just makes eating healthy feel more satisfying. At a discounted price of just $24.48, down from $49.99, it's a no-brainer. You're getting quality, sustainability, and performance, all in one striking, compact salad kit. That wraps up our look at the Swell Stainless Steel Salad Bowl Kit. If you're looking to elevate your salad game, this is the one to beat. Check out the link in the description to learn more, and let us know in the comments, what would you pack in your Swell bowl first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more hands-on reviews here on Product Critique. See you next time.